drinker by night, why are you so difficult? Go in what covers you. Apparel yourself in the garments of gold. This means you, night drinker, our flayed lord. Why are you so difficult? Are you angry? Do you hide? That is, why does it not rain? My God carries water of jade on his back. The waterway's midpoint is not its way down. The Quetzal plume cypress, the Quetzal plume fire snake have left me bereft. This means you are my God. Your water has descended. Your water has come. Hey, Quetzalcoatl! This means now it becomes the color of the Quetzal feather. Now it is greening. Now it is spring. Hey, Quetzalchiocot! Neshiakino Quacket! This means now famine has left us. Let me go. Let me perish. I am the green stalk of maize. My heart is a precious green stone. Why does it not rain?
Alright guys, so yesterday I did a rain ritual, to make it rain. And guess what? It is raining at the moment, guys. Awesome. Tlazokamati, Tlaloc, Ometeo.